In the over 15 years that I have been studying productivity, I've noticed two really big problems. The first is that there is an overwhelming number of tools, methods, processes to choose from, all of them touting the ability to make you more productive and efficient. But how do you weed out the things that don't work for you? How do you know which one is best for you? The other big issue I see is people trying to take the systems that other people have created, that are perfectly tailored towards the people who created those systems, and trying to make them work for them. Productivity is very much a journey, and it's something that we all have to take for ourselves. I actually like to make a direct comparison to the hero's journey with what I call the productivity journey. Just like a hero in a story, there's usually some sort of catalyst or call to adventure that gets our hero to leave the comfort of what they know, their home, and embark on a journey where they can learn and grow from their experiences. For me, in my productivity journey, that was going to college. I needed a system that allowed me to be able to keep track of all the homework assignments and other things that I needed to worry about as I was going through college. As is common in the hero's journey, there's usually some sort of guide or mentor that helps the hero along their path. This could be equated to those people, those productivity experts that are putting out their systems into the world. Those experts have already gone through a journey and come up with a system that works for them. They then share that wisdom with you and you try to use their system, but because you were not there during those experiences that formed that system, it doesn't work for you. A productivity system has to be built by the person that is going to use it. And each one of us has to take that journey in order to be able to create that perfect system for us. There comes a point in the hero's journey where they have to decide whether to continue along that journey or not. Unfortunately, most of us don't know how to take that next step when building our productivity system. We've got what others have created before us, we've got what we've learned from our mentors, but we don't know how to then break away from that and forge our own path. As I mentioned already, I have been studying productivity for the last 15 years and have gone through my own productivity journey multiple times as I have progressed from college into my first out of college, out of school job. I have to continue to make this journey as my life changes. But like I said, most of us don't know how to go on this journey, so what do we do? During the course of my multiple productivity journeys, I have developed a system of principles that I follow as I develop my own personal productivity system. These principles conveniently form an acronym. In this case, the word FIRST. The principles are focus, iteration, recording, simplify, and trust. I'll be going into these principles in the next video in this series. In the meantime, please send me your questions about the productivity journey. Let me know what your struggles are with building your productivity system. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.